Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. LMA is the one who plays and sings for us with little things. Alright, so we're gonna go into this cute song and we're gonna have the capo on the 4th fret. Alright, with that we have a couple of chords, I believe 5 different chords. So let's go into it, starting with A minor 7. Alright, so that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. The B minor 7 next, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you cover all strings except for the last E string in the bass. So 5 strings down below there, and then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. We have the E minor 7 next. You play all strings open except from the 2nd fret A string, and you utilize all strings there. That is the E minor 7. Then we have a G major 7, that's a bar chord. And that is to play the bar on 3rd fret. You push down all strings there with the index finger, and then you need to add 5th on A, 4th on D, and 4th on G. And then we have the C major 7. And that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on G, open B, and open E. Okay, so there are 2 ways to handle this, with the picking pattern and also then secondly with the strumming. So let's go into the picking world, and we have 2 halves of the song, so to speak, and they will roll through the entire song. So the first chord progression round will be A minor 7, B minor 7, E minor 7, and the G major 7. With melody, it goes like this. With the first chord, A minor 7. So you basically hold the chord and roll down. So that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, and 1st B. The next chord, B minor 7, the same way there. You hold the chord as it is and play 2nd A, 4th D, 2nd G, and 3rd B. And then E minor 7. Very easy. It goes open E, 2nd A, open D, open G. And then we have the G major 7. That gives us 3rd on E, 5th on A, 4th D, 4th G. That's the first half of it. Then we're gonna go back to play the A minor 7 to handle the second half, and you're gonna play that in the same way. The same goes with the next chord, the B minor 7. And then we have just the final chord left, the C major 7. You're gonna play, and that is to play 3rd on A, open G, open B, and open E. Since we had 4 chords in the first half and only 3 chords here, that means you're gonna play the C major as the last chord, and once you play that, you just let it ring out as a pause, as if there would be a 4th chord. It isn't, it's just a big pause there. And then you start all over again in the new round. That is how you handle the melody. It goes like this. And a new round, and so on. All right, now into the strumming, and let's go back to the first chord. Of course, we're going to follow the same chord progression here, and the first chord is A minor 7. Grab that 1. Now 1 string round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, like this. Okay, so that is down, up, then clap, up, down, up. Okay, and a couple rounds of that, a little bit in a faster tempo, goes like this. So you're gonna play 1 string round per chord, and you're gonna do that all the way till you come to the C major 7, and therefore, since we only have one chord there with the melody and no fourth chord there, you're gonna play C major for 2 rounds, so it lasts all the way through there. So A minor, B minor, E minor, the G major, then A minor, B minor, and C major for 2 strumming rounds, like this. And there you have the tools to handle LMAs, little things. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Garden Guitar. I work hard for you, so something back would be great. Thank you, and until next time, play tuned.